Hello, teacher. My name is Jessica Caterina Mora Beltran. This is my video about principles and concepts. Okay. Concepts and contexts. Chapter 3 addresses the localization of variations in speech concepts. Um, Tell about speech communities that are groups of people who share or more languages and know how and when to use them according to the context. And sociolinguistic that studies the difference to understand how language is used in our daily lives in different social groups. It mentions that dialects are variations of the same language that are due to geographical factors and people from different regions may use different words or pronounce them differently. Um, Language differences are only based in geography, but also on style we use depending of the formality of the situation. Uh, in addition, there are differences in speech between men and women, as well as between different social classes. Okay, the context will be a neighborhood because I consider that the different variations in language, that the different concepts of chapter 3 are addressed. For example, when a child goes to the store or communicates with a neighbor, they use simple interlanguage, while adults use much broader language. Regarding gender, women, when expressing ourselves, are more delicate than men. For example, when making a complaint to a neighbor, women are more careful with language than men. Mm, the social struggle is also relevant because although everyone lives in the same social struggle, there are people who have more education than others, and that is they feel that they belong to a higher social status and use more formal or elegant language to communicate. Okay, another concept is code switching, with course when people speak languages often switch from one to the other while conversing. This can occur between sentences or in the middle of a sentence, affecting words or phrases. The context of this concept applies when Spanish and English are spoken at home. Children learn English at school and sometimes say phrases in their native language, but that phrase contains a word from their second language. For example, my children sometimes say phrases combining languages. They say, Mom, no me gusta el tomato. Mom, estoy muy happy. Also, when they dress, they say the name of clothes in English. And some who don't remember say it in Spanish in order to communicate what they want. Okay, and the third concept, language socialization. The children learn to speak and behave socially at the same time. From a young age, they understand that language change depending on who they are speaking. The context, the family context is perfect for this concept because, for example, children often use special language when they talk to their cousins or younger siblings using a childish and affectionate language. Mm, Children also learn social rules about how and when to converse and know how to interpret what is said to them. For example, my children use English at home, and they tell things they learn in English, and my husband and I we understand perfectly. When we tell them some things in English, they also understand the information. But for example, to interact with other members, my children use Spanish because they know um, that socializing in English with them will not be successful. Excuse me. Okay, the conclusion after the exercise, my way of saying linguistic interactions has changed because I realized that language is much more flexible than I thought. It also allowed me to understand how people combine languages, how context and different aspects such as gender, social class, dialect, and style can influence the way they speak. It allowed me to learn that through language will not only communicate but also reflect our education, our feelings, and we are who we are. It is important to mention that some contexts, such as code switching or language socialization, for example, allow me to understand that a conversation not only follows grammatical rules, but also social norms. Okay, share no more. Thank you. Bye.